What's up, fellas? In this video, we are going to be going over reversal zones, very key levels to where you can get out of your trade, take profits at, move stops to break even, things like that. So I hope you guys are enjoying this series so far. We're just trying to help you guys out that are new into trading. This is going to be episode 6, I believe. So let's get into this video. This video is going to be about reversal zones, areas of where price could possibly reverse at, reject off of, to kind of see where a possible target to get out of your trade is, like take profits, things like that. So let's kind of start off with this. So you can go off of a few things. You can go off where um buy side liquidity is, sell side liquidity. You can look for areas of high areas of interest of support and resistance. You can go off of London highs, London lows, things like that. So this was today. I mean, let's go off of, yeah, we can go off this. Okay, let me get rid of these drawings. So let's say you can't see any of this stuff over here. Let's say we're coming into market open and we have this zone right here, this area of support right there. And if I were to go up to the 30-minute, you can see that's an area of, if it were to come down, it could sweep out that for some liquidity. But if you're coming down into like the 5-minute, the 15-minute, you see all these rejections right there. That's could be an area that price would want to reverse at. So let me kind of scale out of there. Let me bring this down a little bit to there. Let's say we're sticking to the 5-minute. Oh, geez. Let's go here. Let's bring it down a little lower. So we have a wick, 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 wick. And every time we've come down to this zone, it's kept rejecting off of that and going higher. So it comes down, rejects up, pushes up, comes down, rejects off. We have a bullish candle. Comes down, rejects. And now we see a big upside move. So that could be an area that we would target. So this is market open right here. Let's say we had our zone to be broken to take a sell right here, these lows. Okay, let's say it comes down and let me go to here. Let's say 9:30 comes down, say we break out of here, come up a little bit, come down, come up, come up, come down. Say we hit this area, it could potentially come back up, start now creating higher highs and higher lows, or oh, or we could see it fully come down and start breaking out of there and just wanting to continue down. Okay, so that's a possibility, and also it coming down, rejecting off of that. So that's an area where you would want to possibly be a little careful around. So if you were to get in this position right there, say it broke below my standard 30 tick stop, you could target halfway there. You could target just right to it. You could target all the way down there, right around in this zone. Usually when I see zones like this, I usually go for just play it by ear. If it goes all the way through this, and it's hovering around this area, I'm most likely going to get out halfway of this 50% mark, which is this black line right there. Or if you want, you could target all the way below those lows. So if it wanted to, it could sweep out that and then go higher. You could catch a 3.4R, you could catch a 3R. It's right around this area you want to target to get out of the trade or manage your position, like stops to break even, trail your stop loss. Like say it hit that zone and you want to bring your stop loss to like right here. So if it were to come up, you'd get stopped out in profit. So that's basically what a reversal zone is. Let's go to let's go to another one. Yeah, let's go to this right here. So this was March 6th. Okay, we are in a downtrend. We have my zone to be broken right here. This was actually, I took this trade. I remember this. So it was solid. I targeted these lows right here. It's just smart to target reversal zones so you can have a take profit kind of set. So if it were to hit the zone and reverse up, you don't just get stopped out of your position. What the hell? Why did it reverse there? That's why. Swept out these lows or rejected off this area of support. So with this trade, I know exactly where I got in. As soon as that came up at 9:30, filled these imbalances, pushed down, I got in as soon as it pushed past that support zone, and I targeted a 1 to 3 right there, right at the top of that zone. I got out right there. It's easy as that. And then also you can see it did come down, hit a 1 to 5, and then fully come up. But like this, it came down and swept out this low right here. Swept it out and then started breaking structure to the upside. Broke structure to the upside and then just started pushing up. So that's basically, it's really simple. Look for areas of liquidity, support and resistance, things like that. Now let's go to like a one on a buy area, target London lows, London highs, things like that. So let's say this. All right, let's say this is market open and it isn't. This is at like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, so let's just say this was at 9:30. We got in right there. An area where we could target would be all the way up here, because if you drag it over, we have an area that you can see. Came up to, reject down, came up to, reject down, came up to, reject down, and start pushing down. You can see it was rejecting off of this zone. So that'd be an area you could target. You could target this right here. It's a little hard to see, but there's areas that it's rejecting out of, rejecting out of, rejecting out of, rejecting, 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 things like that. So it's very simple. Look for reversal zones, take your profit at, but just kind of wanted to go over it, kind of show you guys what I meant by, if you're joining lives or looking at my Instagram videos or TikTok videos and I'm saying, all right, I'm getting out at this reversal zone, that is what that is. An area where price could reverse at or start to reject out of, things like that. So I just wanted to go over that in this video. So, peace.